Hey everybody, what's up? It's Dom here, back once again. This time I'm going to be looking at this little product here called Strong Tone. It's by the Army Painter Quickshade here. I read about it here within the Quickshade stuff here. It looked pretty impressive. I did a little bit of research on it there. Ultimately, I did end up picking it up. And here's some more stuff on it here from the Quickshade wash set. I just went and purchased the individual one that I figured I would enjoy the most, being the Strong Tone. I did get a lot of comments, people saying try out like Known Oil, I think it's called. And I will try that out when I can, essentially. I got this because it was a pretty good deal, only about like $5 on eBay, so we're going to try this out, see how well it does on this Super Mutant figure that I had gone and painted on my free time there. So here's what he kind of looks like for you guys there, kind of get him in the light all focused around there. He's okay, he's decent. I'm no artist, I don't claim to be one, so let's just see what we're doing here. So I know we need to kind of apply this very conservatively there. Oh well, I'm already getting a little wild there. Alright, so let's go here and dab it off a little bit, and let's just kind of apply this all around to our little dude here. Kind of see how much of a difference this wash will end up making here for him. And we want to let it lay out for about 24 to 48 hours to really get the main effect there, to see how it's going to turn out with all the recesses. People are saying, like, get the detail to really pop up there. I'm hoping, you know, I'm not that experienced, but we will learn from our mistakes. Trust me there, I will end up learning from mistakes. You guys can probably already tell some stuff I'm probably doing wrong there. I do appreciate if you tell me what to do to fix that up there. Go here and just apply this around his like little skirt. Get it all around him. There we go. I think the hardest part about being an amateur miniature figure painter is not only building the confidence of like what I'm doing, but also being able to record it for you guys to see it in somewhat decent quality and not make a complete fool of myself painting there. I don't know, I do this more for the fun and enjoyment and relaxation of it more than anything else, because it's very calming, very soothing. Honestly, I'll say that. I don't know about you guys there. How do you feel about maybe the painting, you know? Alright, time for the big old bulk here. This is the part I was scared about the most, honestly, was his chest and arms and body and everything, and how this is gonna turn out looking there. So let me kind of go right there for you guys. Yeah, I went a little crazy on this Quickshade tone stuff here. I might have applied way too much. I don't know. I guess we'll kind of see there. Now this is about 2 days after our boy here has gone and dried up, so he should be more than able to be applied here for this Quickshade Strong Tone. You guys have any techniques of anything? Like I said, this is my first ever time using this stuff. Not only that, but this is only the second ever minifigure here that I've painted, so I know that there's a bigger, like a paint bucket, I guess you would say, looking here for this Quickshade stuff. But that was out of the price range, I'm gonna be honest, out of the budget. So, you know, making do with the little bottle here. And honestly, I feel like I'd rather want to go through and, like, you know, have more experience with the paintbrush. Going here, making sure I get every little recess spot, I believe it's called. So I don't know how he's going to turn out in the end, but I will see. We'll do a before and after, and I'll kind of put them hopefully up on the thumbnail also for you guys there. He looks a little bit more, I guess is the term, grungy. I don't know. So here's what our dude looks like right now. He's a bit glossy, clearly at the moment. So I'm gonna leave him to dry out, I guess you would say, for the next 24 to 48 hours, and we'll cut towards the future there. Hey everybody, what's up? It's Dom here. Right now, 48 hours after the fact of applying our strong tone here. Here's a quick look of it for our super mutant friend, seeing how he looks. I can already tell a bit of a difference there, but I am going to go and jump cut in a hot second to my computer, and you guys will be able to see it side by side from the left on before and the right on after the Quickshade there. But I just want to show you guys here at my table, kind of here what he looks like. I already kind of see mostly down here like the cloth patterns by his legs here, the little wrappings, how like they're more detailed. It really pops out more on that one. Alright everyone, here is a last little bit here. Like I said, the before and after on the left hand side is when I first painted the minifigure there, and then the after the quick wash strong tone there by the Army Painter. I will say I'm very impressed by it. For only $5, it does absolutely that, what it promised on the back of that little pamphlet, and I was kind of curious. So yeah, I would definitely recommend picking this up there. I've had some other recommendations by people that I've mentioned before, so I think we'll go try those out when we can. But I'm looking forward to trying this out on some more minifigures there. I might actually do a quick thing of putting the strong tone on my first minifigure that I did before of the Minskin Boo. But if you guys have any recommendations there, definitely leave them in the comments. I do appreciate it. And we'll see you guys next time. I think I'll probably be painting probably some Raiders or Brotherhood of Steel Soldier, or somebody with power armor, or maybe like a Nuka-Cola robot for Fallout. I have a couple more of those to paint there. But with that being said, everyone, we'll see y'all next time. Peace out.